In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Claude API key step-by-step tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to sign in, and how to safely copy your key so you can start building with Claude in your apps and tools. Keep your key private and follow along on your own screen as I walk through the process. First, open a browser and head to the Claude console. The quickest way is to search for Claude Console in your favorite search engine. Look for the official platform link that points to platform.claude.com, which is the dashboard for managing API access. If you prefer, you can type platform.claude.com directly in the address bar. Verifying the domain helps you avoid spoofed pages and keeps your account secure, so double-check the URL before you proceed. Once the site loads, find the Sign In button, typically in the top right corner, and click it. Use your existing account to log in. If you don't have an account yet, the platform will guide you to create one. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your region and plan, you may be asked to confirm your email or set up billing before you can access the API. That's normal. Complete those prompts so you land on the main dashboard. If multi-factor authentication is available, enabling it adds an extra layer of protection to your account. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Get API Key and select it. The platform will generate a new secret key for your account and display it once. This is important. Copy the key right away and store it in a secure place, such as a password manager or an environment variable in your development setup. You typically won't be able to view the full key again after closing the dialog. Do not share this key publicly, commit it to version control, or paste it into client-side code. Treat it like a password that grants access to your usage and billing. If the platform lets you add a label or description to the key, choose something that helps you remember its purpose later, like the project or environment where you'll use it. That's all there is to it. You search for the Claude console, signed into the official platform, and use the Get API Key button to generate your key. If you ever need to rotate or revoke a key, you can return to the same dashboard and manage it from there. Keep your key safe, monitor your usage, and you'll be ready to integrate Claude into your projects with confidence.